Hey friends, I'm doing some container gardening along this fence line. Here's how the process went. All right, here's how my project began. This is my starting point. I started to remove everything, and then I dug away and removed all the excess leaves and things. Then I put down soil bags, repurposing them so that I don't have weeds. And then I put my stepping stones down, and I put some bricks down. I ran out of supplies, so I washed off the mud. Little did I know it was about to rain, but that's okay. I just wanted to kind of pressure wash it a little bit. So anyway, the next day I bought supplies and I had more stepping stones and more bricks and I put them down. There we go. Then these are containers from Dollar Tree that I put holes in. My peanuts have been in the window and they started to sprout, some of them, so they're ready to plant. I put some leaves in my container, some soil, and my first ever rose bush. It's so pretty. Then I put mulch. Next up, I gathered leaves around the yard and put them in all of the containers. And this is my son's red flower. I used fencing in my containers that I put peanuts in, and that is for the purpose of keeping the squirrels out. I also put mulch around the fencing, and I put bamboo poles to trellis my sunflowers. So yeah, I planted the peanuts with the root side down or the point down. So hopefully this keeps the squirrels out. You can do this idea and let me know how it works for you. So yeah, I'm doing 2 peanuts per container. I decided to plant some white and red sunflowers. Pretty cool. And then I put some wood in front of the containers so that wind does not knock it over. Make sure you subscribe to watch my garden grow. Have a great day.